Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Google Business Profile for brand visuals, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To register your business with Google Business Profile, first, open your web browser and go to the Google Business Profile website. Click on the Manage Now button located in the top right corner of the page. Sign in with your Google account or create a new one if you don't have an existing account. Enter your business name in the provided field. If your business appears in the drop-down menu, select it. If not, click on Add Your Business to Google. Choose the appropriate category for your business to help customers find you. Fill in your business location details, including the address. If you offer services without a physical location, select the option for service area businesses. Add your contact information like your phone number and website. Verify your business by selecting your preferred verification method, such as a postcard, phone, or email. Follow the prompts to complete the verification process. Once verified, you can enhance your profile with visuals. Upload high-quality images that represent your brand, such as your logo and cover photo. Add additional photos showcasing your products, services, or atmosphere. Make sure to fill in all relevant details to optimize your business profile. Check your business listing for any inconsistencies and make corrections as needed. Keep your profile updated with current information and visuals to attract customers effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.